everybody, Ankush Babu, stand up here, stand up here. I will draw, huh? I will draw some picture on the board. You have to recognize it. Recognize them, huh? आपको उसे पहचानना है. So I will ask you, know what is this? What is this? Yes. What is this, Ankush? Apple, apple. अच्छा, do you like to eat apple? Apple खाना पसंद करते हो? Yes. अच्छा, what is the color of an apple? Apple का कलर कैसे होता है? Red. What is the color of an apple? Red. It's a red color. It's a red color. So very good. So next. So where is the duster? Where is the duster? So yes. No. Give me the duster. Give me the duster. Huh? So no. You can't. No. Give me the duster. Give me the duster. Yes. Very good. No. So. No, it's called a hanky also. Ah, no. No, yes, very good. No, look at here. Another picture. Dekho, look at here. Look. What is this? Yes, what is this, Ankush Babu? What is this? Yeah, no. No, leave her. I said leave her, Ankush. Leave her. What is this? This is ball. B for ball. अच्छा, do you like to play ball? Who like to play ball? कौन ball खेलना पसंद करता है? Who like to play ball? Yes. अच्छा, how many balls do you have? आपके कितने balls हैं? How many? हाँ. At your home घर में कितने balls हैं? So इतना बड़ा एक तो. So how many balls do you have at your home? घर पे कितने balls हैं? Yes. And how many balls? एक बोरा. Okay then. Very good. So B for ball. So B for ball. अच्छा, B for ball. Look at here. What is this? Yes. So what is this? Ankush Babu, can you tell me what is this? Ankush, can you tell? Water. Your water is here. Oh, look at here. Your water, Ankush, is this here? Hey, Ankush, look at here. Is this here? Yes, your bottle. Okay then. Okay. So look at here. What is this? Huh? C for cat. अच्छा, what is the sound of a cat? Cat का आवाज कैसे है? What sound does a cat make? Meow. अच्छा, cat stop. Cat. Look at here later. What is this, Ankush? Yes. What sound does a cat make? Meow. Yes. Come here. Don't hide there. Come here. Hello, Krita, don't hide there. But maybe settle down. Yes, very good cat. D. No, look at here. What is this? Yes, D for dog. And do you know D for dog? Hey, hello, Ankush, don't you like that, Babu? You're good, why not? You should good habit. Huh? You're good. Why are you so laughing? Come. No. So D for dog. Acha, dog, do you know? Dog barks at night. Acha, what sound does a dog make? Bow. What sound does a dog make? Bow. Do you know dog guards our house? हमारे घर को सुरक्षा देता है ना? हाँ. He barks at a stranger. ये अभी अजनबी पर भौंकता है. कैसे भौंकता है? Yes, very good. D for dog. No. Look at here. Ankush Babu. What is this, Ankush? I'm telling you. I'm asking to you. What is this? No, Ankush will tell only. What is this, Ankush? What is this? Can you tell me what is this? क्या है ये? E for elephant. अच्छा, elephant has a big trunk. इसका trunk है ना, and two tucks है ना, और दो दांत है. So how many teeth do you have? आपके पास कितने दांत हैं? Count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come to cut the video, man.